Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of DT Ultra 2. Now this watch is a really special version of Apple Watch Ultra 2 copy because it comes with 16 GB of storage, 2 GB of RAM, and it has Android 9.1 version, and you can connect this with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it has dual connectivity mode. And as you can see, it supports Wear Pro application. So this is a Chinese version, so you'll have to wait for a global release. Once the global variant is released, I'm going to review that version as well and let you guys know where you can buy. You can buy from Zorwing, link is in the description. You can check out his store on Aliexpress. So once the global version is released, it will be available on Aliexpress, and you can buy from Zorwing. And thank you to Zorwing for providing us with this watch. So as you can see, inside the box we have quick start guide, which is in Chinese, 2 bands, one is black and the other one is orange. We have charging dock, and let me take out the watch. So let me just take this plastic off. And the design is really good, guys. Actually, it's one-on-one design compared to Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see, the holes are perfectly aligned and the build quality is really good. Now let's compare it side by side with the HK9 Ultra 2. So as you can see, they both look identical in terms of build quality and color. So as you can see, and they both look really good in my opinion. On the left hand side, as you can see, action button. So let's power this on and see if it has any battery life. So as you can see, now it's loading, and once it's loaded, you can see we can select English language in this Chinese version as well, which is good. So let me pair this with Wear Pro application. It's really easy to pair this one as well. And now I have set it up, and as you can see, the screen is really good, guys. And if I swipe from the bottom, you can see we have quick menu. So you cannot go directly into the menu by swiping down. As you can see, we have list view, and crown key also has haptic feedback, but only in the menu section. As you can see, the display, the quality of display is amazing, guys. It's real AMOLED. And here's the sports mode on the right side, heart rate, blood oxygen, and as you can see, blood oxygen and music. This is the weather application. So let's check out the watch faces. As you can see, we have a lot of watch faces pre-installed. You can change this by crown key as well. So let's select this one, and as you can see, the bezels is amazing, guys, and it has palm gesture and double tap to wake feature, which is the best feature that I've never seen before in any clone. So you can double tap on it and the watch will turn on, which is an amazing feature, and thumbs up for that. And bezel size, you can see it looks really good. And guys, the bezel size is also perfect, as you can see in this watch face. So let me pick this watch face. If you tap it, it changes color automatically, which is also a really good watch face. Colors are really vibrant as well because of AMOLED display. It is using one of the best AMOLED display as well. And HK9 Ultra 2 also has a very good AMOLED display. So this is another watch face. Animation is also really smooth. Now let's select a different watch face. This one. You can tap to change the animation as well. This one looks also really good, guys. It has a breathing effect, which is really good. So you can download a lot of watch faces in this one, and you don't need to replace any other watch face, previous watch face, because it has 16 GB of storage. So you can install a lot of watch faces actually. That one is also really good. Let me pick this. And you can change it to night mode as well. Looks very good on AMOLED display actually. And this is the bubble watch face, as you can see. The balloon, bubble, whatever you want to call it. So these are the pre-installed watch faces, and you can download more. Now let me just show you another thing. If I double tap on the crown key, it goes to recent menu. Now let's go back into the menu, and as you can see, now I selected in grid mode. Not smooth compared to HK9 Ultra 2, but it's okay. And let's see heart rate monitor, if they are using real sensor in this one. And as you can see, failed to measure, so that means they are using a real sensor. And if I put my fingers on the back, it measures. That means they are using real sensor, which is really good actually. It has blood pressure as well, blood sugar, and calculator application. As you can see, we have compass as well, and it has browser, so you can connect to Wi-Fi and you can use the browser. It has keyboard. Let me show you. As you can see, the keyboard is in English as well, which is a really good thing. So let me show you photo album, and by pressing on the picture, as you can see, double tapping, it zooms in. It's also very smooth, and the screen is beautiful, guys. So let me play a video. As you can see, the resolution is really high, really crisp image. I'm really loving the display in this one, and you can download more watch faces directly from the watch if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So let me just download it, and in few seconds you can download watch faces, which is really good. Let's set the watch face that I downloaded, this one, and as you can see, it looks really good. This one also is very nice. Now let's check the animation of sports mode. Let me click on this one. And it's just like a Apple Watch Ultra, as you can see. Looks very good in my opinion. And sensors are working as well. So here's the wrist to wake feature. It also works really well, and it has double tap to wake feature, which is one of the best feature in my opinion. It should be in all of the latest Apple Watch Ultra clones. If you double tap on the screen, as you can see, it wakes up, and it has palm gesture as well. So really an amazing feature. It is one of the best feature, which not a single clone has this feature right now currently. So let me just show you again. Works really well as well, so thumbs up for that. And overall the watch is really great, guys. If you want to buy this one, so you can buy from Zorwing. The global version is not released yet. Once it's available, you can ask anything from Zorwing on Aliexpress. Link is in the description. Once it's available, you can purchase the global version. This is a Chinese variant, and as you can see, the animation, charging animation, is also very similar to Apple Watch Ultra. And now currently it's in orange. Once it's charged to 90%, it will be in green. So as you can see, same to same like Apple Watch Ultra. And it is using Android 9.1 version. It has Android 9.1. This is the model and hardware info. Android version 9.1. but it does not have Google Play Store. I don't know if it will be released or not, but we will see in the future. If you like this video, guys, please share it with your friends, comments down below, and you can ask me anything in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.